We use supercomputers to run simulations of the molecules in a cell so we can understand function. So we look at the membrane of the cell, so what's around the outside of the cell that keeps the inside of the cell in and the outside out. And we also look at proteins that are there. So we look at how drugs are transported across the cell membrane. We look at how the lipids in the membrane move about and form domains to allow the cell to function properly. If we understand how a cell functions when in a healthy individual, so in a normal cell, and then we know that chemical components within the cell are changed in disease states, this will allow us to see exactly what's going on in a diseased cell versus a healthy cell. This is really exciting because it means that we can understand at a molecular level exactly what's going on when someone has a disease. We're at the dawn of what's called exascale computing, which is where we've had such amazing advances in supercomputers that we've now got basically a supercomputer on speed that's a crazy powerful computer that allows us to do problems that we never would have been able to before. And that means we can personalise medicine to treat a particular disease in a particular individual and work out in advance whether or not a therapy is going to work for that person or not. Every researcher has a particular set of skills and techniques. Mine are computational, but for the most impactful research projects that you get the most out of, you really need to collaborate widely. We are trying to develop industry collaborations at the moment. We have engaged with Henkel in the past through a collaboration with QUT working on polymer systems. We do a lot of work with the National Computational Infrastructure and the Pawsey supercomputer in Western Australia. And a number of my previous group members and students have been recruited to industry positions at PricewaterhouseCoopers, at Deloitte and other partners like that, because we've got this interesting blend of science and technology and a skill set that allows us to analyse a whole lot of different problems, which is valued a lot in industry.